Most people assume email campaigns just get delivered automatically. But here's the surprising truth. Even small mistakes can land your emails in the spam folder. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of GlockCAPS. GlockCAPS is an email testing and deliverability platform that helps marketers ensure their emails reach inboxes. You can test spam scores, inbox placement, authentication, and sender reputation before sending campaigns. Most people get this wrong by relying solely on email service providers' dashboards. Even with a reputable ESP, emails can still get blocked or filtered. GlockCAPS provides independent, detailed reports on deliverability performance. You won't believe what happens next. The platform shows where your email lands: Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or spam. It also highlights issues like missing SPF, DKIM, or DMARC records, and provides actionable steps to fix them. GlockCAPS also tests how emails appear on different devices and clients, ensuring consistency and a professional look. For marketers sending thousands of emails, this reduces errors and improves engagement. Now the downsides. GlockCAPS is primarily for marketers and technical users. Small businesses with very simple email campaigns may find it more detailed than necessary. Subscription plans vary, and full testing features require paid tiers. The surprising truth about GlockCAPS is that deliverability isn't just about content, it's about technical setup, reputation, and timing. Using tools like this can dramatically increase open rates and ROI. So who should use GlockCAPS? Email marketers, agencies, and businesses that rely heavily on campaigns for leads and sales. Casual or low-volume email senders may not need all features. If this review helped you understand GlockCAPS and its value, subscribe for more honest email marketing tool reviews before sending your next campaign.